Hey, Jordy. Yeah, what's up, Grumpy Jesse? What's this about carving ears on wood spirits? Ugh. I don't know, Grumpy Jesse. It's just something Just Carve Rob said to me. This Just Carve Rob, maybe I should try. Why don't I carve ears on wood spirits? What the hell's he thinking about? Who the hell's he think he is? Well, he's my buddy, Grumpy Jesse. We're just having fun. He's just kidding around. Will you tell him to carve the goddamn ears on the wood spirits himself? Tired of that shit. People saying this and that and this and that. Do it yourself. Okay, well, I'll tell him, Grumpy Jesse. I gotta get out of here, though. It's getting late. Yeah, okay, we'll see you later. I just carve, Rob. Carve your own goddamn wood spirit ears. Wood spirits don't have ears. Ah. Hello, everybody out there in YouTube world. My name's Jordy at Carvingfusion, if you don't know me. So, this video is about, we have a group on Facebook. It's called Carvingfusion, World of Woodcarvers. There'll be a link to the group in the description below. Just hit the little arrow on the right and the whole list of things will show up, but I'll put that link to the group up first on the list. We are having a wood carving challenge from the very, very beginner to the very pro carver. So if you're a very beginner, do not feel intimidated to join that group, because there's tons of beginners, and I encourage beginning carvers to post their pictures in that group. I think we're getting close to 4,000 members now. There'll be some great prizes. The challenge is not a contest. It's a challenge, okay? So the challenge is fire, wind, water, and earth. So you have to do a wood carving of one of those elements. You can put whatever you want on it. You could put stained glass. You could put wire. You could put copper. But the base of the carving has to be wood. So you can add whatever you want to it. So the prizes are going to be, I'm going to donate a carving or two of like one of my good wood spirits on cottonwood bark. I'll probably do it on a live video. There'll be like knockoff Dremel rotary tools, maybe some gift certificates. One of the other admins of the group might have carving or something to donate. I'm not too sure, because I'm not running the challenge. The admins of the group are running the challenge. I'm just chipping in a carving or two, but they're running it because I'm too busy. So anyways, you guys should join the group. It's a very positive group. As soon as we catch wind of one negative comment, that person will get a warning. If they keep it up, gone. It's just that easy. Block, delete. Block, delete. So, and opinions aren't given unless asked in that group too. Unless it's a positive opinion. So, so feel free to join the group. You have to ask a question like, why do you want to be in the group? And you have to say, yes, you'll agree to the rules and terms and stuff like that. And so it's a great fun challenge. I think it's open for 2 months. Anyways, this video's getting a little bit long, so yeah. And Just Carve Rob, here's a challenge to you, buddy. I challenge you for the challenge. Well, I challenge all the other admins too. So all the admins of that group are going to do it too. Man, I got a brutal cough these days. Anyways, Just Carve Rob. Bring your friggin' A game. Bring it. Fire and water, Rob. Bring it.